Katba ka India kadang yai beteng ban jubab ting ya ka Pakistan lengba ka Operation Sindur. Kabadang yai chakmat menta ka Jingiatylli at ka lanang jur haki ngikut tayo hadin ka jingnang jur jong ka jingpen her ki drone sya shilyang ka kaput. Kinong song snong ka Meghalaya kila Pynpaw ka jingkershan ka bajur ki shipai ki badan hapdeng ka Operation Sindur. Ki shipai ka India kidang yai long ki bapet perman bha hadin belalap ya ka jing her jong ki drone haki Iakhun ki jaka hasilenter ki kaput bari barha line of control na do Mullah hado bhuj.
Operation Sindur is a reflection of the perfection of Indian Army, because the government of India has this time clearly explained that they are not going to bow down before any such terrorist group. And one thing that is very important here to understand is that they have changed their strategy completely, and the operations which they have done was so perfect that it has not affected a single civilian of Pakistan, not a military base, so that now Pakistan has no reasons to retaliate, and if he does, he will face a big consequences.